Good afternoon and happy Friday, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you. Another look at that weather on the One's forecast for this final day of October. Happy Halloween to all of your family and friends. Hopefully your kids are hitting the streets tonight to collect all of that candy. The weather really tonight should not be any sort of an issue, but that was not the case as we open up the history books. 87, blisteringly hot Halloween, 1922, but we dropped all the way down to the freezing mark, if not below that. 1925, over 2 inches of rainfall, a real soaker in 1942, and almost an inch of snow. Yeah, Halloween 1993. I remember that Halloween. I was growing up in western Pennsylvania. We had 6 inches of snow that day, and my mummy costume that was made of cheesecloth really absorbed all of that heavy wet snow. That's a Halloween I will never forget. No precipitation today, just some puffy clouds out there. Temperatures cooling down by this evening. We will also see breezy westerly winds as well, gusting 20 to 25 miles an hour, much like what we've seen the past couple of days. But you see all the clear skies by this evening. Once we get closer toward midnight, our next cold front will start to approach. That will increase our cloudiness, and we're looking at a pretty gray day on Saturday and a better chance for some showers to start moving in here late Saturday afternoon and into Saturday night. So just keep that in mind. But the daylight hours on Saturday, I think, will stay dry. Right around 60 rest of today. You get west of the Tennessee River, those temperatures might be just a little bit warmer, flirting with the mid-60s, but chilly for high school football tonight. The good news is those winds should really start to subside, so it shouldn't impact the kicking game much, but dress warm if you're headed to your favorite team's game. 40s by halftime. That'll definitely be a bite to the air. And we'll continue to bottom out right around 40 degrees by tomorrow morning. There could be a few isolated upper 30s out there as well, but for the most part, we should stay in the 40s. And overall, the extended period is nice and quiet. Saturday, I think the daylight hours, or most of them, are dry before those showers start to roll in. Turn your clocks back, change the battery in your smoke detector Saturday night and into Sunday. Showers could linger, especially across eastern portions of the area and east of the Natural Parkway Sunday morning. Then the weather turns quite pleasant as we head back to work on Monday, even hitting 70 degrees possibly on Wednesday.